Hi, I'm Sherry Howell with CenterEdge Software, and today's pro tip gives you a way to offer individually priced tickets to a special one-off experience, like a summer pool party, or to a series of experiences like Food Truck Fridays. Or you could offer a day camp, such as an esports combine, or even a trampoline fitness class. Really, any experience that happens outside your typical capacity process. Let's take a look at how this might look in action for your facility. In CenterEdge Classes, you can create a related series of classes or experiences quickly and assign team members or instructors to a series. You can even create team member bios to display online. Then, your guests can search for experiences in your web store by activity date, by type of experience or class, or even by the assigned host or instructor. And as people purchase tickets for these experiences or classes, you'll collect their customer data in a roster so that you have an easy-to-use list of who bought tickets. This will allow you to communicate with attendees before or even after the experience. Not only can you communicate things like updates and frequently asked questions, but it can also help you do things like creating customer focus groups to gauge interest for future experiences or offerings, or even just to notify them that a special guest or band is returning in a marketing effort. All right, hope this gives you a little glimpse into how you might use CenterEdge Classes to create new offerings for your guests. To learn how to set them up and schedule them, check out our training webinar or our CenterEdge Help Center documents. The links are in the video's description. We can't wait to see what you come up with, so please share your ideas and creativity with us. And if you've got a pro tip to share or just a question you'd like answered, we'd love to hear about it. So send those to us at showell@centeredgesoftware.com. Have a great day.